The last couple of days, we've been doing some jobs with some structural issues. Houses are sagging. They're having problems with bouncy floors. But really, I mean, we got walls that are dropping at least an inch. A lot of people don't kind of realize this. These joists support the floor. These types of joists are particularly newer joists. These are called I-beams. They're made of plywood, which seems like it wouldn't be a good idea, except for they're much more rigid and stronger. See how they can span the 16 feet from the foundation. Less material, less work, not necessarily a good thing long-term for the house. One of the problems can be when you have this type of wood with this type of span, and you have a traditional ventilated crawl space and the wood gets damp, and the wood can flex. When wood gets wet, just like when you used to build the old skate ramps in the 80s, you get the wood wet and flex it and bend it. When wood stays damp all summer long, it actually bends and flex a lot more. We've turned this into a sealed crawl space. Nice and dry and clean. There was some mold issues before. A lot of rodent issues. Mold is a problem. Water damage is a problem. Wood rot's a problem. Termites are a problem. We've cleaned all that up. This wood here is dry and stable. It will not flex and start to be a problem. You have to keep that dry. It has to stay dry in order to keep it from flexing and moving in the summers and then the wintertime.